Hello students, I am Professor Kavita Kate, Assistant Professor SPS College of Education, Sangamner. This is my introduction. Today we are going to discuss about the second year B.Ed course number 205-16 Chemistry. In this video we are going to discuss about the multiple choice questions related to chemistry subject. In this chemistry subject there are total 4 units, out of which unit number 1 and unit number 2 are related to the content that are included in 9th to 12th standard. So let us see. Question number 1. The physical state of substance with lot of empty intermolecular space is which state? There are 4 options: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. The answer is gaseous state, because in solid state constituent particles are held very close to each other in a definite manner. In a liquid state, constituent molecules are in contact with one another, however they are not held firmly as in solid. But in a gaseous state, molecules are far away from each other, so do not exert any force, so there is a lot of empty intermolecular space is there. So the answer of this question is option C, gas. Second question, the liquid with maximum viscosity is. These 4 are the liquid example of liquids, out of which glass is the correct option. The liquid with maximum viscosity. Now what is the viscosity? Viscosity means viscosity is related to the liquid state. Water and mini liquid transport from one place to another through different pipes. Then the force of friction between the layer of liquid is called viscosity. Viscosity means it is a measure of resistance of liquid to flow. As this glass is a maximum viscosity, the answer is glass. See, this is the periodic table, and the next question is depend on this periodic table. So see carefully this periodic table. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 periods are there. In the long form of the periodic table, there are 7 periods. Then how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are total 18 groups. Groups are vertical column and the periods are horizontal column. Means in the long form of the periodic table, there are 7 periods and 18 groups. Now these 2 groups, first and second group, these are the S block elements. From 3 to 12, there are D block elements. From 13 to 17, there are P block elements. It is 18, it is a inert gases. And these are lanthanoids and actinoids. They are situated at the bottom of the periodic table. They are F block elements. Means there are 4 blocks in the periodic table: S block, D block, P block, F block. There are 4 types of elements also: normal elements, transition elements, inert transition elements, inert gases. The group 17 is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. These are halogen family members. The periodic table, here the hydrogen, helium 2, lithium 3. These are the atomic numbers of these elements: beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6. The elements are arranged in the increasing atomic numbers in the periodic table. So we will see the next slide. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in which manner? There are 4 options as we discussed in the earlier slide. Increasing atomic number is the correct option. Second question, in the long form of the periodic table, the total number of periods is 7. As we discussed in earlier slide, there are 7 periods. Next question, in the long form periodic table, the total number of groups is 18 groups. There are 18 groups in the long form of the periodic table. The answer is 18. Next question, the lanthanides are placed in a periodic table at. What is the position of lanthanide in the periodic table? There are 4 options: left hand side, right hand side, middle and bottom. As we see in the earlier side, there is a bottom where the lanthanides and actinides are situated or placed in the periodic table. The correct option is the bottom. Actinide belongs to following type of elements: S, P, D and F. There are 4 block elements and the right answer is the F block elements. Actinoids belongs to F block elements. Which of the atomic number represents S block elements? There are 4 options: atomic number 7 and 15, atomic number 3, 12, 6, 14, 9, 17. Here is the correct option is the option number B, 3 and 12. 12 is the atomic number of magnesium and 3 is the atomic number of lithium. So the lithium and magnesium, they are present in a S block group. Next question, halogens are placed in which group of the elements in modern periodic table? As we see in the earlier side, in the 17 group, the halogens are placed: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. These are the halogen family elements. They are placed in 17 groups. The first attempt to classify the element was made by, these are the name of the scientist, and the correct scientist name is Mendeleev. These questions are related to the chemistry in everyday life topic. Penicillin was the first discovered by which scientist? Alexander Fleming. The Alexander Fleming is the scientist who discovered the penicillin. Next question, which of the term means pain killing? Which of the following term means pain killing? There are 4 options: antibiotic, antipyretic, analgesic and antioxidant. The correct option is analgesic. Analgesic, these are the drugs which kills the pains and give the relief to central nervous system. Here the option is the analgesic. Food preservative in tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup contains which food preservative? There are 4 options: sodium acetate, sodium benzoate, sodium salicylate, sodium propionate. The correct option is sodium benzoate. This sodium benzoate, due to this sodium benzoate food preservative, tomato ketchup is preserved. Then the iodex. Iodex contains which type of chemical compound? There are 4 options: methyl acetate, ethyl propionate, methyl salicylate, methyl benzoate. The correct option is the methyl salicylate is the chemical compound that are present in iodex. Next question, with oil or grease on cloth, soap forms colloid, emulsion, gel and sol. When the oil or grease that occurs on the different clothes, then if we wash these cloth with soaps, then there is a form of emulsion is there, and that due to this emulsion the cloth gets clean. Next question, chloramphenicol is used in treating which types of disease? There are different types of diseases there. The correct answer is the typhoid. For the treatment of typhoid, chloramphenicol, this type of drug is used. These are questions related to phenol topic. Phenol is acidic in nature. Phenol is neutral in nature. Phenol is basic in nature, or phenol is amphoteric in nature. The correct option is a phenol is acidic in nature, as the phenol, the structure of phenol is a C6H5OH. The OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That's why it is a more acidic in nature as compared to alcoholic group CH3OH or sp3 hybridized atom. That's why the answer A is correct. Next question, to obtain fuel, diethyl ether is mixed with which chemical? Ester, ethanol or 2-propanol. The correct answer is the ethanol. These questions are related to aromatic compounds. First question, in ozonolysis of benzene, how many molecules of ozone are added? There are 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct option is 3. 3 molecules of ozone are added in the ozonolysis process of benzene. Aromatic compound burns with which flame? Blue, green, red or sooty? The correct option is a sooty flame. The aromatic compound burned with a sooty flame. It is a chemical test done in a laboratory. So thank you very much. These questions in this slide that I have collected from different 11th, 12th standard chemistry books and different question papers at the level of SSC and HSC. So according to these topics, you have to study hard. All the best and thank you.